The load was too far in, so he's going to have to go to a loading dock and pull it back out. Hey guys, Mike from Figs here. We are excited because today we got a new tool. Now this is the third time I think I've tried to get this particular tool to use in our shop, and let's just say the other times were a little too big, too much space, not enough automation. And so today we are unboxing and installing the 30-ton, 36-inch CNC press brake from R&S Laser. Now, this kind of fit the bill for what I was looking for. I actually had a Langmuir Systems shop press brake on order, and unfortunately we were on like month 9 and still not getting any update on when it would be delivered. This popped up in my feed, and honestly it was kind of exactly what I was looking for. A little bit more expensive, but then again a lot more capability here than just your typical kind of shop press brake that was going to be a little bit slower. So it's hydromechanical, so it uses a hydraulic pump to activate some rams, and then it has modular tooling. It's kind of a European style tooling with the square bottom die and a standard upper punch, but all that was included, and this was an exceptional value. So anyway, inch by inch, moving it into the new shop and gonna set it up, get it under power. So hope you enjoy this video, and I hope it inspires you to keep looking for more capabilities that will make your creativity thrive, make it so that you can prototype things, get to your ideas faster, and just succeed in what you're doing in terms of fabrication or product design.